So as you guys know, I've started my raised bed, and in the last video, a small short, I showed you that I was getting some wilting, and I don't know why. Well, it's continued, and it's actually spread from one end to the other of the bed, essentially, and it's really just affecting the tomatoes. I don't know why, and it's not a watering problem, so I'm gonna have to get in here and I'm gonna dig it up and see what happens, and see what's down there, because normally I grow in grow bags, and you can isolate the problems with that, but with the raised bed, it's hard to isolate because you can't get down in there and see. Well, I'm gonna get down in there and see. I'm gonna show you guys, and we're gonna see what the problem is, and if I have to replant into grow bags, well, we're just gonna do that. So all right, here we go. So I think that there's gonna be mush down there. I think it's just gonna be real rotten roots or something down there, because if you water it and it's still like that, then it's not getting the nutrients. So I think it's just not draining. I didn't film when I made the bed, but I put a layer of the black lining under there, but it's supposed to let the water drain through it, but I don't know if it is or not. So that's what I'm thinking is going there. We're about to dig in here right now. I'm going to show you. We're going to see what the hell is going on here. This is already done. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that, unfortunately. See, when I built this, I knew that you wanted to come in here and put the pine needle and stuff in here. So you can tell, well, I watered it earlier, just to make sure, but I think it's a watering I don't know. I think it's mush down there. That's just my hypothesis, but I guess we'll see. And unfortunately, I'm gonna have to take this guy out, and I don't really want to. I'm just gonna have to excavate this whole thing. I've never had to do this before because this is my first raised bed, and I always see people on a lot of good gardeners on YouTube. They have raised beds. So I figured I'd give it a try, because I usually always do these grow bags. Grow bags are really good. Never had a problem with them. I always got huge tomatoes off my grow bag. I want to save this guy. It's too big to just let die. I thought that it was going to be I thought that it was going to be soupy down there, but it's not. It's not soupy at all, actually. It seems pretty regular, even after I watered it. So that's not the problem. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna take it out here and see if we can get it to come back to life. Maybe we can save it. It doesn't look like it's over damped or anything. So I don't really know what the problem is. So you can see it's not wet down there or soupy like I thought it would be. We got it in here now, so I'm gonna stand it up and we'll just replant it. All right, so I moved it over to this grow bag here, and she's in pain, but hopefully we can get it to come back, because that would be a tragedy. Dude, grow bags are good. I've gotten tomatoes to be over 8 feet tall on some grow bags, the hybrids that keep growing and growing, not the Romas that are just bush tomatoes. But this one right here is a Big Daddy, and it's a hybrid, so it's gonna keep growing and growing. But not all hybrids, grow and grow. But it's indeterminate. It's not determinate. But hopefully we saved it here, and we'll just go back to putting it in the grow bag. And man, it sucks that I have the other ones that are like that. I'm gonna have to pull some of these other ones out too, so they don't die. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one here and dig under here. these two, probably these two, and I guess, I mean, it's the same as this. It's just nothing there. I just don't know what's causing the wilting. It really sucks. But we're just gonna put them in grow bags. Now I got a big old hole in my garden bed. Man, really sucks. But I was completely wrong about what was going on inside there, so I really don't know. So I got the 3 biggest ones that were wilting out, and they're in grow bags now, as you can see. I mean, this really sucks. This is my first time having a raised bed. You know, it happens. That's why it's called experimenting. But I'm gonna have to stop because the mosquitoes are starting to eat me alive and they want to carry me off. So appreciate you. See you soon.